Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your own homemade pizza. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this pizza will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's what I'm using to make my lovely homemade pizza. I got some sliced bell pepper, some diced pineapple. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You're gonna need some shredded cheese. Also, I'm using ½ cup of barbecue sauce. I got some sweet corn that I'm using. I got 1 teaspoon of salt. Also using some pepperoni slice. Also, you need 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using some honey. You need 2 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using oil. I got ½ cup of ketchup, and also you need ½ cup of warm water. Now I'm gonna start off by pouring my yeast into this glass jug with my warm water. Yes, guys. So you get a glass jug like this. Pour your yeast into it. Also with your white granulated sugar. You're just gonna pour your warm water into it. Guys, make sure your water is not too hot and it's not too cold. It's just right, it's warm. Now I'm just gonna cover this up, put this to the side for about 10 to 15 minutes, leave it to rise before I start to use it. Now in the meanwhile, my yeast is rising for that 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just gonna make my own homemade pizza sauce. Guys, you can get your pizza sauce to buy in the supermarket if you want, but I'm making mine at home. Just want to get yourself a small pot like this. You want to make sure your fire is on medium heat. Yes, guys. Just want to warm up your pot for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, guys, after the 2 to 3 minutes, you just want to pour your barbecue sauce inside. Right. Also your ketchup. So guys, and also I'm using about 3 teaspoons of my honey. 1, 2, 3. Just I'm just going to give that a stir. Stir that for about the next 3 minutes, guys. Just mix around your honey and your ketchup together. But this is what you're going to use on your pizza. I'll get back to you guys when my sauce is finished. Here you have it, guys. After that 3 minutes of stirring it around in that medium heat, my sauce is finished now. I'm just going to turn this off, guys. Just leave it to cool before I start to use it. Now, guys, after that 10 to 15 minutes, as you can see, my yeast is ready. This is how you know it's ready, guys, with those foam. When you see it foam up like that. Yes, guys, when you get yourself a basin like this is what you're going to make your dough in. Yes, guys, you just want to pour your yeast inside of it. Just like that. Also with your 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Just like that, guys. You want to put your salt in. And also your 2 tablespoons of oil. Yes, guys, just like that. I'm just gonna get a spoon and just start to mix this, guys. I don't want to get my hands all dirty as yet. So I'm just using a spoon just to mix this around to make my dough. Just before I start to knead it, guys. This is how you want to do it. Now, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hand to knead my dough now. Yes, guys. See, guys, this is how you want your dough to come out. I'm just kneading it somewhere with my hand. there you have it, guys. Kneading it around. Yes, guys, this is how you want your dough to look. Yes, guys, just like that. Just gonna get some oil. Just pour some oil over it, guys. Not much. Just gonna rub that over your dough now, guys. Now you're just gonna get a cloth, or you can use a cling film if you have any at home, and you're just gonna cover it up, leave it to rise for about an hour. Yes, guys, I'll see you back when my dough is rise. Now here you have it, guys. After that hour, this is how you want your dough to come out. As you can see, guys, my dough is rise. Yes, guys. And I'm just gonna put it to the side. I'm just gonna sprinkle some flour on my surface. Guys, make sure you have a clean surface. This is what you're gonna roll out your dough on. Yes, guys. I'm just going to cut this into half before I start to roll it to the next half away. Now you're going to get your roller and roll this out, guys. Roll it to the size of your baking tin. And you're going to bake your pizza in. I'm finished rolling my dough. Now I'm just going to take my tray. Yes, guys, this is how you want to do it. You take your, just cut around it like this, guys. You cut it to the size of your baking tray. Cut out. Right, just like that. Then you're going to take your tray, put it to the side, and you're going to ease it up. Just try to get it off your surface, guys. Just like how you see I'm doing it. Get back to you guys when I have my... Now here you have it, guys. This is how you want your dough to be in your baking tray. Yes, guys, you're just gonna get a fork now and just make some holes in it like this. Yes, guys, just like this. All over it. Now after you finish poking your dough with your fork, you're gonna take your homemade sauce now, guys. Just pour over it like this. Spread it around, guys, just like that. So you want to do, guys, just spread it around with your spoon. Just like that, guys. After you finish that, now you're going to take your shredded cheese. finish your just putting out your cheddar cheese, you're gonna use your sweet corn now, guys. Sprinkle all over it. Guys, in the meanwhile you're doing this, you want to preheat your oven on gas mark 6, 200 degrees Celsius. Yes guys, just preheat your oven in the meanwhile you're doing this. Now I'm going to put on my bell peppers. After your bell peppers now guys, now you're going to put on your diced pineapples. Looking so amazing guys, I'm telling you, looking so lovely. Can't wait to have a slice of this pizza. Now I'm going to put on my pepperoni, yes guys. That's how you want to do it. So you make your homemade pizza. There you have it guys, just like that. Now I'm going to put this in my oven that I have preheated. Yes guys, get back to you and put it in my oven. Now my oven is preheated, now it's ready for my pizza. Remember guys, make sure you place your pizza into the middle of your oven. You're going to leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it bake. See you back when my pizza is finished baking. Now here you have it guys. My pizza is finished baking. As you can see guys, looking so lovely. It's smelling up in my kitchen. Now here is my pizza after that 15 minutes in the oven. I'm telling you guys, it's smelling so lovely. Looking so delicious. I can't wait to have a slice of it. I'm just going to leave it here to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before I start to use my pizza knife to slice it up guys. I'll get back to you. Now guys, my pizza is cool. I'm just going to take my pizza knife and slice it up. Yes guys, just like that. I want to do it. Guys. Here you have it guys. That's how you want to slice up your pizza. But thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section guys. Tell me what you think about this lovely pizza what I make at home. Tell me what you think about it guys. Until next time. Peace.